Welcome to the Nampa Amalgamated Sugar Factory. This video will take you through our sugar production and packaging process. Let's begin. First, we start with our high-speed centrifugal machines. After crystallization, sugar crystals are separated from the syrup in one of our 7 centrifugals. While the sugar is spinning in the baskets, it's given a short burst of hot water to help wash the sticky molasses off the crystals. From there, we send the wet sugar to a drying drum, then through a cooling drum. Sugar has to be dried and cooled to precise levels to enhance its storage life. We then store the sugar in one of 12 150-foot-tall concrete storage silos. Our silos have the capacity to store 83 million pounds of sugar. Once it's ready for packaging, the sugar is pulled from underneath the silos and sent to one of our 6 classifiers. Here, the sugar is sorted through vibrating screens into 5 different products based on crystal sizes. Depending on customer needs, the different crystal portions are distributed to 14 separate packaging stations through a system of screw conveyors and bucket elevators. In this control center, we set the parameters for sugar crystal sizes and set the flow to each packaging station. Our industrial granulated packaging line processes 50 and 100-pound packages. Here, we send through 25 50-pound bags per minute and 12 100-pound bags per minute. That's 1 full pallet every 2 minutes. This station packages 50% of our factory's volume and produces 1 million pounds per day for a variety of industrial food processors and chefs. Our retail granulated packaging includes 4 separate lines that process 4-pound, 5-pound, 10-pound, or 25-pound bags. Collectively, these stations package 500,000 pounds of sugar per day. From here, we package over 20 different private labels for grocery retailers and distributors across the western and midwestern United States. In our powdered sugar packaging line, sugar crystals are poured into a rapidly spinning pulverizer that fractures the crystals into a fine powder. Depending on the type of product desired, between 3 and 5% cornstarch is added to prevent caking. The powdered sugar is then packaged into 1, 2, or 50-pound bags, which are palletized simultaneously by an automated robot. We package 200,000 pounds of powdered sugar per day. In these 15,000-gallon tanks, we mix 2 parts sugar and 1 part water to make liquid sugar, which is used in many local industries for ice cream, juice, and soft drink production. We also mix liquid sugar with molasses to make a coating syrup used in brown sugar production. Amalgamated Sugar is one of 2 companies worldwide that produces and packages crystallized betaine. The betaine content of a sugar beet is quite small at 0.5%. It's used as an animal feed additive to regulate moisture within cells to moderate heat stress. We send betaine primarily internationally throughout Europe, Australia, South America, and Southeast Asia. Since most of our machines are metal, we utilize state-of-the-art metal detectors in each station. If any metal is found in the sugar, the package is removed. Each bag of sugar is precisely weighed and printed with specific dating and codes. Each day, our shipping and receiving dock will load and ship 45 trucks headed for the western United States. We also receive 5 trucks of materials and supplies daily. The other 10% of our shipments go out in rail cars. We load bulk rail cars with 220,000 pounds of sugar for use by our large volume customers. Bulk trucks with 65,000 pounds of sugar are sent to food processors throughout the Pacific Northwest. Box cars of palletized sugar are sent to distribution centers throughout the Midwest. The Nampa Amalgamated Sugar Factory produces, packages, and ships 2 million pounds of sugar per day We use the highest food safety standards for all of our sugar products and production practices. And we take pride knowing that we produce some of the highest quality sugar in the world. Thank you for watching.